Review of Indian history. Name the leader of the revolt of 1857 in Rohilkhand. Khan Bahadur Khan. Name the viceroy who passed the Vernacular Press Act. Lord Lytton. Lord Lytton introduced the Vernacular Press Act in 1878. It was called as Gagging Act. In 1882, Lord Ripon cancelled the Vernacular Press Act. Who is called as the Liberal Viceroy? Lord Ripon. Who formed the Indian Association of Calcutta? Surendranath Banerjee. The Age of Consent Act was passed in which year? In 1891. As per the Age of Consent Act, the age of marriage of women was raised from 10 to 12. Name the author of the book The Economic History of India. R.C. Dutt. Who was the editor of the paper Amrita Besar Patrika? Motilal Ghosh. Name the founder of Deccan Sabha. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Who started Shivaji Festival in Maharashtra? Bal Gangadhara Tilak. Rabindranath Tagore founded the Shanti Niketan Ashramam. In which year? In 1901. The revolt of 1857 broke out at which place? Meerut. Jhansi Rani was killed in which year? 1858 June. The first university in India. It is Calcutta University. The Wood's Dispatch of 1854 recommended the founding of universities of Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. It was founded in 1857. Name the leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in which year? 1931. 1931. As per the Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Gandhiji stopped the civil disobedience movement and agreed to participate in the second round table conference. Who coined the word Pakistan? Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. Who published the paper New India? Annie Besant. Name the General Secretary of the Home Rule League founded by Annie Besant. C.C. Ramaswamy Iyer. The Lucknow Pact was in which year? In 1960. Who was the first president of All India Trade Union Congress, AITUC? Lala Lajpat Rai. The first Factory Act was passed in which year? In 1881. The first Factory Act was passed by Lord Ripon. The second Factory Act was passed in 1891 by Lord Lansdowne. Who published the pamphlet Hind Swaraj? Mahatma Gandhi. The Champaran Satyagraha was held in which year? In 1970. Name the chairman of the committee which prepared the Nehru Report. Motilal Nehru. Name of the Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain during the first and second Roundtable Conference? Ramsay MacDonald. The individual Satyagraha was ended in which year? 1941. Who set up an association called Mitra Mela? V.D. Savarkar. Who founded the Ghadar Party? Hala Hardayar. Ghadar Party was founded in 1913 at San Francisco in USA. Whose death anniversary is remembered as Shahid Divas? Bhagat Singh. The Chittagong Armory was in which year? 1930. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in which year? 1897. The Viceroy of India during the formation of Muslim League. Lord Minto. Who prepared the Pakistan resolution of the Muslim League? Sikandar Hayat Khan. Royal Indian Navy mutiny was held in which year? 1946. Who announced the August offer of 1940? Viceroy Lord Linlithgow. The revolutionary who died after 64 days of fast in the jail. Jatin Das. The first textile mill in India was set up in which place? Bombay. Thank you.